Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Ambya sasmiti or instant raw mango pickle. Now this is an easy to prepare dish that can be had along with rice or idli or dosha. It will stay for 2 to 3 days at room temperature and 1 week in the refrigerator. Sasmiti can be prepared even from tender mangoes. Tender mangoes is ambuli in Konkani, and also half ripened mangoes. So these are the ingredients that you need for preparation of the dish. 4 raw mangoes of medium size, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon mustard dal, 3 teaspoon asafoetida, 3 tablespoon of salt, sesame oil or coconut oil. These are the mangoes that I have used in my recipe. Wash and cut the raw mangoes into small pieces as shown. Add red chili powder, asafoetida, mustard dal and salt. Mix well. Heat coconut oil in a kadai. Add the coconut oil to the pickle when it has cooled down. That is when the coconut oil has cooled down. Mix well. Your Ambya sasmiti or instant mango pickle is ready to be used. Serve with rice or idli, dosha or sandan or urda appo. If you want, you can add boiled and cooled water to the pickle during serving, or if you want it dry, you can have it as such. Shelf life is 2 to 3 days at room temperature and 1 week in the refrigerator. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe.